projects. Read books. Play games. Solve maths problems.
1.
What is your sister doing?
She's reading a book.
Does she like reading books?
Yes, she does. It's her favourite school activity.
2.
Does your brother like English?
No, he doesn't.
What school activity does he like?
He likes solving maths problems.
3.
Does your brother like doing projects?
No, he doesn't.
What school activity does he like?
He likes playing chess.
4.
Does your sister like solving maths problems?
No, she doesn't.
What school activity does she like?
She likes doing projects. Look at the picture. She's making a paper puppet for her school project.